Hello everyone, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to transact or take out money from your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's get started. What you need to do is log into your Bitget account. So you need to open it on the website or the app on your device, whichever is suitable for you. And the second thing you need to do is navigate to the withdrawal section. So search on the tab and search for withdrawal section. You will find it. After that, you want to select the withdrawal currency that you want to withdraw in, like different currency, cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. And then you need to enter your withdrawal amount. So specify a specific amount you want to withdraw. After that, what you want to do is confirm your withdrawal details and also provide a withdrawal address. So you need to provide an address that is there for when your wallet will be transacted to, and you can also confirm your withdrawal details, and you need to carefully do this since the withdrawal details needs to be exact and accurate. After that, you can authenticate your transaction through a PIN or a phone ID or a face ID as well, and then you need to submit your withdrawal request to the servers. After that, you need to wait for it to be processed since you do not know if it will be accepted or not. So we need to wait once your withdrawal is in process. And then you can check your withdrawal status if it has been approved or not. If it has been approved, then you will receive the funds. And you can also check your transaction history as to what funds have been sent to you or what funds you've been withdrawing and how much is in your current bank account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and comment below. If you have any more questions, then leave it on the drop box below. I'll be sure to look into it. It's me, Lee, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.